Hello, little explorers. Welcome to ABC Fun Kids. Today, we are going on a super fun adventure to discover the letter D. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh wow, here comes a duck. D for duck. Ducks love to swim in the pond. Can you quack like a duck? Quack, quack. Look, a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and love to jump in the ocean. Hee-haw, this is a donkey. Donkeys are strong and help carry things. Wow, a deer. Deer run fast and have beautiful antlers. This is a date. Dates are sweet and chewy. Oh, here's a durian. It smells strong, but many people love it. Wow, a dragon fruit. It looks spiky outside, but is soft inside. A dump truck. It carries sand and rocks. Beep, beep. Look, a double-decker bus. It has two floors and carries many people. Wow, a dirt bike. It goes super fast on rough roads. Here comes a delivery van. It brings packages to our houses. Great job, friends! Today, we learned about the letter D with animals, fruits, and vehicles. Let's say them one more time. Thank you for learning with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ABC fun. See you next time. Bye-bye!